Did you know that there are actually several 100 yen shops or hyaku-yen shop in Japan and not only Daiso? One of the most famous 100 yen shops in Japan is Seria. It was founded in 1985 and has its headquarters in Gifu Prefecture. Up to this date, there are already over 1,000 Seria shops all over Japan. Their concept is Color the Days, which explains how colorful the items are inside the shop and are supposed to make you feel happy. Think about classy, cute, chic, and stylish all together. That's Seria. Just like other 100 yen shops, they sell each item for just 100 yen or roughly $1 excluding tax. As you explore the shop, you won't help but wonder how those classy items are just sold for such a cheap price, not to mention the amazing quality. Seria offers different kinds of items such as kitchenware, phone cases, toiletry and makeup bags, eyeglasses, handicraft goods, and more. If you're a DIY enthusiast, Seria is the best and the cheapest option for you. They have both cute and stylish designs. Enjoy shopping!